Hello everyone, it's James, the Science Elf from Dundee Science Centre here. And for today's little experiment, little demonstration, we're going to be talking about rain clouds, okay? Now, when we think of winter, we think of snow, but because we live in Scotland, a lot of the time it really is just rain, isn't it? Now, rain forms when water vapour goes up into the sky, and as it gets up there, it cools down and forms back into water droplets. And when the clouds get really full with water droplets, they have to basically release all that water and it falls to the earth as rain. So what we're going to do today is make a little rain cloud in a jar. Okay? So the things you'll need for this are a jar filled with water, not all the way to the top, leave a little bit of space. You'll need some shaving foam and you'll need some blue food colouring as well. This is going to be our rain. So first of all, we're going to make a cloud. So let's put some shaving foam on there. There we go. Now we'll give it a second or two to settle. Then we're going to take some blue food colouring and we're going to drop it into the cloud. Now, just like a real cloud, eventually there'll be too much blue food colouring here and it will sink through and flow into the water and it should look like a nice rainstorm. Okay? So, let's give it a try. There we go, some nice blue food colouring there. Now that should start to seep out of the bottom in a moment and create a lovely rain effect. So here's some starting at the back. Since we've put quite a lot of blue food colouring into the cloud, it's started to seep out of the bottom, just like actual rain would. I'm actually very impressed with this, it's pretty good. Thanks for tuning in, guys.